Jay, are we interrupting anything?
You folks are just so boring. Oh, gosh, is this almost over? I've got things to do.
What? You look like you need a nap.
Yeah, that's one of my things to do.
Is it? It's on your list?
Yes, it's
Really?
first on my list.
I don't blame you.
It should be first on your list.
It should be. You're right.
Well, you can feed me again, I guess.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
And then let's take a nap.
Okay.
So, I'm a nice boy.
You are a nice boy.
Yeah?
And you're having a really good time here.
It's pretty fun here.
Is
You guys
it?
got lots to do.
We do.
But I do need my own home, you know.
Yes, no one gets to stay here.
No, you gotta find homes for us.
And we're going to do that.
All right, well, good.
Yeah, because you're such a good boy.
And I don't make noises like that dog.
Yes, you're much less annoying.
Oh, dear. That dog needs to go do something.
That one really needs a home.
Yeah.
Oh, that is funny, isn't it?
There was food on my leg. I got it.
Oh, did you?
I got a little bit of leg, too.
Oh no. Oh, no.
All right.
Okay, well, we better go.
See you later.
Okay, bye.